So this is actually a little bit tricky. Even though we've talked a lot about what vocabulary is, sometimes it's hard to apply it to actual situations. Let's start from the bottom and work up. Negative 100,000 is part of a term, but the term that it's part of is actually negative 100,000x. Remember that the term is the whole thing that's going to be added to other things or subtracted from other things. So negative 100,000 on its own is not a term. So let's cross that out. We said earlier that negative 100,000x is a variable term as a whole, but it's not the negative 100,000 that makes the term a variable term. It's the x that does that. So negative 100,000 itself is not a variable. Constant was the word that we used for numbers that were terms on their own, things like 3 million right here. This is something that is a term by itself that has no variables as part of it. Negative 100,000 is not standing on its own, it's multiplied by x, so this is not a constant either. That leaves us with coefficient. Remember that coefficients are the number parts of variable terms. So there are numbers that are multiplied by variables to create variable terms. I know there are a lot of subtle differences involved in this, but over time this will become much more natural feeling. Great job working on all of this vocab.